Tribal students leave Manipur University protesting new reservation norms. Chief Minister directs Vice Chancellor in charge to immediately solve the issue. Rongmai Naga Youth Organization Manipur calls for indefinite ban on Imphal-Jiribam National Highway from midnight tomorrow. State government assures to develop the deplorable condition of the road near Makru Bridge on National Highway 37. Manipur observes World Mental Health Day. Health Minister Kurungthang says government is in the process of setting up a mental hospital. An RTI week celebration concludes today. Assembly Deputy Speaker Presho Simre raises concern over misuse of RTI Act. Hello and welcome. You're watching Impact Primetime News. I'm Butchi Malambam with the top stories. Travel students of Manipur University today left the university saying that they will not pursue their academics at the university. The tribal students are opposing Academic Council's decision to implement the Central Educational Institution Reservation in Admission Act 2006, which allows 27% reservation for other backward classes, 17% for scheduled caste and 7.5% for scheduled tribe. Around 300 tribal students today left the hostel saying they will not be able to pursue their academics at the university, revolting the Academic Council's decision taken on October 8. At around 2 this afternoon, large number of tribal students gathered in front of the university canteen. The students took out protest march till Kawa. Later, students boarded auto rickshaws from Kawa saying that they will stay at the Kuman Lampak Youth Hostel. Speaking to Impact News, a member of the Academic Council who does not want to be identified said Chief Minister today summoned MU Vice Chancellor in charge, Professor T.S. Jakendra Singh, and few professors to discuss the issue. Chief Minister directed the team to immediately bring a solution to the problem. MU Vice Chancellor in charge, Professor T.S. Jakendra Singh, refused to meet Impact News when our reporter asked for his comment. Impact News has learned that the Academic Council meeting will be held tomorrow at 1 p.m. over the reservation issue.
Sida leiribagi meaning artha thoktre adugina hojiki se ekoina se campus se tribal mayamna tribal student mayamna ekoina left tawrani haib se ekoina thamjaninge ekogi stand se until unless revoked permanently and issue se permanently solved natradi ekoi sida campus sida lak roi se se ekoi boycott se tawgani adugi matha this tribal khoigi moina masana decision loser so authority na tribal gi first semester lak ge tawri ba khoi sisu loin ma boycott tawgani emission kanas taw loi asise khoigi mutsu stand ni.
Rongmai Naga Youth Organization Manipur today announced for an indefinite ban on Imphal-Jiribam National Highway 37 from midnight of October 11. Addressing media persons at Manipur Press Club, organization President Singamlung Dangmai said the national highway, which is one of the lifeline of Manipur, is in a deplorable condition. He said they requested and submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Works Minister on October 3 to repair the deplorable 4.5 kilometer stretch near Makru Bridge within 7 days. As the authorities have failed to give any response, that is why they are calling for ban from tomorrow. Singamlung Dangmai said they will relax the ban when the repairing work is undertaken by the authorities concerned.
Numitaret ni manung sida semgot pa haubiu haina aikoina memorandum se pikebani adubu ngasi phawa government of Manipur dagi respond karibda akoida pirakiba leite date 11 October 2016 midnight agi indefinite total banje hauragani karigumba government of Manipur na sebi taba taragadi akoi banje makha chathakini sport area sida laga semba haudri phawa akoi gi total indefinite banje laikigani adu laga semba matungda akoina banje komthokani.
Ex-MLA N. Biren, who recently resigned from primary membership of Congress and as an MLA, has asserted that he will join a new political party under an understanding. Speaking in connection with his reception ceremony by progressive people of Yai School for his bold decision to resign from the Congress as well as an MLA at Yai School Saugai Jamlaira Community Hall, he said he may join any political party. However, he will join after having an understanding and which supports the people's cause and issues confronting the state. Clarifying on his resignation, he said he resigned from being an MLA as he lost his faith in the present government as the government acts like an autocratic rule. He also said he will not remain to save the position of a minister when there are many to disintegrate the state.
Men man tadaba mayama masigi pendabdagi ay MLA yauna ay parties dagi hadokpani Congress party ki winai thoidong nai phatti na ai haibang amoy party ki ideology party ki wakharlol ai madu ai haibang amoy aduga madubu pairaga sizin nari ba kangbu dune madubu pairaga madugi maming da madugi namada praja singu akoi gundaraj ni ne hujik tawrise gundaraj police check tawuse noi kai deno akoi adaini es hantok na re ba pura gundaraj ni kainom ne hujik tawrise.
United Kuki Liberation Front UKLF in a press note informs that PMGSY 10th phase package number 295 has been retendered for the fourth time, covering the region Khangbarol to Tuikong, which is an area of the UKLF's designated camp. Daniel Thado, project director of UKLF, said it will not allow contractors to come and work or even survey the region. UKLF said concerned department will be solely responsible for any untoward incidents and asked the government to bear the full responsibility. World Mental Health Day 2016 was observed today across the globe. In Manipur too, the day was observed on the theme Dignity in Mental Health, Psychological and Mental Health First Aid for All at IMA Hall, Lamphel. The function was organized by Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch in association with Trained Nurses Association of India, Manipur State Branch, State Mental Health Authority, Cine Actors Guild. The day was observed in order to bring attention to mental illness and its major effects on people's lives worldwide. In connection with the observation, an awareness rally was also held from IMA Hall. Speaking on the occasion, Secretary of Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch, Dr. R.K. Lenin, said that around 450 million people across the world are affected by mental problem. Speaking on the occasion, President of All Manipur Working Journalists Union, Amju Wangkhemcha Samjai, said due to various social problems in our state, many people are having mental problem which hamper in developing process of the society, and appealed to the concerned authority to set up a mental hospital in the state. Addressing the gathering, Health and Family Welfare Minister D.K. Korungthang said various social problems in the state is increasing mental health problems. He also informed that the state government is in a process of setting up of a mental hospital in the state as number of people who are suffering from mental illness is increasing.
Suicide mental problem, mental sickness no masi causes drug alcoholic natraga threat I worry see high with the loy I society
The day was also observed at BB Pol Mental Development Home in Mongsangai, today jointly organized by Manipur State Legal Services Authority and All Manipur Nupi Maro. Speakers at the function said parents are daily coping up with the thoughts of their mentally challenged children, mostly thinking about who will take care of their wards after the demise. Speakers also said the government should provide pension to these special people under Indira Gandhi pension scheme. Speaking at the function, Manipur State Legal Services Authority member Secretary R.K. Memcha said they will provide legal help to mentally challenged children. When inquired whether Manipur Health Services has mental hospital, R.K. Memcha said there is no hospital as such, but very soon a proposal will be sent to donor ministry.
masida akoi kamai to sige legal service authority ki makai dagi mati pangba ya ba akoi through process of law ko akoi tangai thadragadi akoi awang mathak sat suta bani adu akoi mayam mai sa koi kunsan jaraga akoi ki bigasage haiba I wapam thamjage.
Transporter and Drivers Council Manipur President H. Ranjit said the government has assured to develop the deplorable condition of the road near Makru Bridge on National Highway 37. Speaking to the media at its office today, he said a joint team of the council and PWD have inspected the condition of the road on 8th October and brought the photo and video recording of the road. The government has taken the responsibility of developing the portion of the road following a joint meeting of Council, Additional Chief Engineer and Works Minister at the Office Chamber of Works Minister. The Council will help in the transportation of stone to expedite in developing the road. The government will reimburse for the cost.
Manipur government na sabsana tawjagadabani aduga akhoi tidisina paisa puthoga na tawgadaba nate Manipur government na semjagadabani turen ongriba sarukse masigi lebak yaudriba saruk menjanaba khonan masigi sarukse yaro hide paisa leite aduna upai chunglei leite haibane Manipur government na masi mateng pangjanba amadi haiba gari mayam satrisi satba yanaba haibasi leba haijanba or ngasai nung mayama hapsanba khosanba tawga motorable oiba lambi mo oinabagi damta works minister ngasi sabsana warema lauraga ekhoida tawro thubada sangjalaga engineers team sing aduga JCB purna changba yaba khulai jingi puraga ekhoi changnabagi sabsaba kanochi phirepsi leire.
Normal life has been greatly affected by the 48-hour band called along the Imphal-Ukhrul Road by Nongdam Development Committee in protest against the kidnapping of Sorokhaibam Rameshwar. Band supporters came out in large number along the road and strictly enforced the band by preventing movement of people and vehicles. However, police personnel dispersed band supporters at many places and allowed the movement of vehicles and peoples. On the other hand, family members and local Maira Paibis of Nongdam staged a sit-in at Nongdam Lamkai by blocking the road. The sit-in used placards demanding release of Rameshwar at the earliest and condemned kidnapping of an innocent laborer. Wife of Rameshwar appeals to the concerned to release her husband at the earliest on humanitarian ground. It may be recalled that Rameshwar was abducted by 3 unknown armed persons on 6th October as he went to work as laborer for road construction of PMGSY from Laikwatkom to Tuchin. The armed persons sought monetary demands from the contractor for Rameshwar's release.
Later Lara Tiva Zalaga, Mapamrang, the Moikaragi Paisakagi, the Pazalaga, Matoman Kangandana, a Koiba Wapam the Tahali Mamzu, Imun Puram Mamzu, Man Pudding Anthony. Awaba mayam they kang mungamaktan mayam they sogot piu had an I kunjang Samana Kulai was season by my Paisa Karagi the Maktabu, me book a shulatana Kalaga, Kulai on season of Yaro. Other than Tadok with all Wisney, my give, Moyana, Sinazo, Kashukang the beach, some the Tabuk Shubo me, but Moina Kulai season of Yaro has in Hazel.
On the other hand, proscribed outfit Maoist Humanist Party Manipur strongly condemned the kidnapping of Sorokhaibam Rameshwar, a laborer from Nongdam. He was a laborer in Tuichin under Saikul block and was kidnapped from Saidang Shang Khola. Comrade Kyonghan Mangang, coordinator of Standing Committee Maoist Communist Party Manipur, in a press release appealed the kidnappers to release Sorokhaibam Rameshwar on humanitarian ground. He also further warned that if Rameshwar is not released safe and sound at the earliest, they will take up various actions. Now it's time for a short break. We'll be back soon. Keep watching Impact News.
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for Class 9 and 10 CBSE Summative Assessment 2. Class starts on 6th October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
Manipur Poll 2017. Countdown begins now at Impact News. Meet the aspiring candidates, their challenges, the issues, the complete picture. Monday to Thursday at 12 noon only on Impact News. Aspiring candidates, we interview, you decide. Coming soon, only on Impact News.
Registration Hosare MCS 2016 की वाइवा बोसी की दमक मॉक इंटरव्यू याउबा स्पेशल इंटरव्यू कोचिंग की registration Hosare October 9 दगी 13 फाउबा अयु की पुंग 8 दगी अमा फाउबा एक्सपर्ट सिंगना इंटरव्यू टिप्स पिगनी लोइना मेंस माइ पाकलाबा कैंडिडेट सिंगा इंटरेक्शन सु पांगथोकनी October 12 दगी 13 फाउबा द अयु की पुंग 9 दगी अमा फाउबा मॉक इंटरव्यू पांगथोकनी ngasi mal register tawbihoro registration की दमक Proactive Academy of Competitive Examinations Kwakaitel Imphal the contact tawbiu.
Welcome back. Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Kontawzam laid the foundation stone for construction of a common infrastructure facilities of honey processing near Topokpi Project Canal in Bishnupur district today. Speaking on the event, DC Bishnupur Hare Krishna said rearing of honey can be practiced in every household as it generates a lot of income by investing little money. Minister Govindas Kontawzam said Congress will form the next government by getting majority. He also slammed BJP as a party which bluffs the people.
MLA used to, leave one party and join another party, and some MLAs also might have, you have seen that some of the MLAs have also joined Congress party. It is not so important as such. No, how can it be? Because we are having 50 MLAs till now. We were having 51 MLA. Still now also we are having 50 MLAs. More MLAs are willing to join Congress party. So it makes no difference to us. BJP speaks lies wherever they win. Particularly the BJP leaders in Manipur, is they speaking any truth? So it is just a dream. More than 32 will have.
A reception ceremony for Dr. I. Iboholbi was held at the office of Oinam Nagar Panchayat by councillors of the Oinam Nagar Panchayat. Former Minister Dr. Y. Jiten and 9 councillors were also present in the ceremony. Speaking in the reception function, Dr. Iboholbi warned that the state will suffer a lot if BJP formed the government in the upcoming assembly election.
Leibak Kanchi, Manipur, Kanchi Habatarabadi, BJP, the Chamana Kanaroi, Congress, Congresski, ID, Mapangan Kalanba, Natana Oiroi, having walked along to the decision with that.
Manipur Legislative Assembly Deputy Speaker M.K. Presho Shimre today said we should not misuse the Right to Information Act 2005. Presho Shimre made this statement at the valedictory function of the RTI week which began on October 5. Shimre further said the aim of the Centre to implement RTI Act 2005 is to inform of the development works initiated by the concerned departments. He said the next generation will fully utilize the Act for betterment of the society. As part of the function, prizes were distributed to winners of quiz competition. The function was attended by students, teachers, among others.
The right to information city government the lot ningai na teba government the kari paikat libra hai basi bachana citizen mayam da khangan ni eba aduna right to information si ya na sik to ramadi government si na tabak simuk to ri ko praja gi magta individual gi magta aikhoi gi state gi magta country gi magta hai na moi na khak to eba yam na darkar leiba aduga na khangjaning ba madugumba point du natana aikhoi unnecessary right to information act sisinaraga aikhoina misuse tawbadudi aikhoi khara avoid tawdabani.
Locals of Waithau Tronglaubi has clarified that there was no incident of locals assaulting Laishram Kadamjid in connection with the scuffle occurred at workshed of Kadamjid at Waithau Tronglaubi. Speaking to the media persons, Y. Namachandra of Waithau Election Campaign Committee and Secretary of Women Subcommittee S. Memnaubi maintained that there was a scuffle broke out on that day as locals asked not to use the shade of stone crusher for drinking wine and intoxicants. However, there was no incident of assaulting Kadamjid and his laborers as reported in the media. Memnaubi further said that a solution was brought in front of the police officer at Taubal police station. She further appeals to not to repeat such an act in future.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯅ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯁꯣꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯅ ꯆꯣꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯗ ꯇꯨꯁꯟꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯦꯟꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯇꯨꯁꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯆꯟꯅꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅꯃꯛ ꯐꯨꯅꯕ ꯆꯩꯅꯕ ꯐꯨꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯊꯧꯕꯥꯜ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯑꯣꯁꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯏ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯁꯥꯈꯤꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯐꯨꯈꯤꯕ ꯆꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗꯦ.
A 7-day basic course on news reporting organized by State Institute of Journalism (DIPR) was today inaugurated by Director IPR Shri Meghachandra Kongbam at DRDA Conference Hall, Senapati District Headquarters. Speaking as chief guest, Shri Meghachandra Kongbam said this is the second time that State Institute of Journalism is conducting short-term course in journalism in all the Hill District Headquarters. The basic training course in news reporting will conclude on 17th October 2016. Pasoi Development Council has sought the attention of the government to repair the Phaibok Bridge, which is one among the very important bridges connecting Patsoi, Sagolban and Uripok assembly constituencies. Southeast Asia Cultural Organization SICO appreciated all those who celebrated the Ima Pantoibi Thauni Thauram. SICO appealed for people's participation in future too to preserve our age-old tradition and culture. Apunba Langthabal, Lob Langthabal Mantrikong, Langthabal Chingthak Chingkha Kabui and Fura Makong Nambul Mapal ILPS Demand Committee organized a public discussion program on the theme, the Manipur Regulation of Non-Local People Bill 2016 at Langthabal Mantrikong Mayalekai Community Hall on October 8. The public discussion took 6 resolutions which were submitted through Additional Chief Secretary. Now in sports, CRC Kundrapum defeated Aku Thawaiban 97-74 in the final match of 2nd Wahengbom Gopal Chand Singh and Shama Devi Memorial Kang Tournament organized by All Manipur Kang Association AMKA at Ima Angaubi Community Hall, Kam Kangshang in Kongba Laishram Lekai. USA Kurai and Trau Kwakatel won their respective match of the 11th Manipur State League. In the matches played today, USA Kurai beat Sagolban United 2-0. Palmai Rambo and Yangkokai Kilong netted 1 goal each for the winner. In another match, Trau Kwakatel beat Nako Nambul Mapal 2-1. Klasa Kaino will play Trukpu Nambol while YPHU Lalambung will play SSU Singtamay tomorrow. Second Manipur Open Chess Tournament 2016 will be held from 23rd to 31st October 2016 at Kumal Lampak, Kangsang, according to a press release by Manipur Chess Association. Manipur University Inter-College Men's and Women's Archery Tournament kicked off from today at Regional College Lilong Chajing. The tournament was organized by Lilong College under the supervision of MU Sports Committee. In the Indian round, 7 women and men each will take part, while 1 woman and 5 men will take part in the recurve round. In the compound round, 2 men archers will compete. Before we end the headlines, tribal students left Manipur University protesting new reservation norms. Chief Minister directs Vice Chancellor in charge to immediately solve the issue. Rongmai Naga Youth Organization Manipur calls for indefinite ban on Imphal-Jirbam National Highway from midnight tomorrow. State government assures to develop the deplorable condition of the road near Makru Bridge on National Highway 37. Manipur observes World Mental Health Day. Health Minister Korungthang says government is in the process for setting up a mental hospital. An RTI Week celebration concludes today. Assembly Deputy Speaker Tresor Simri raises concern over misuse of RTI Act.